Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Welcome back to Revamp Dynasty. What's going on? Well, it's the morning time, and I'm in my morning attire. Bet you're wondering what's under this bonnet. But keep guessing, because you'll never know. Anyway, so back to what we were doing last week. Or maybe it was 3 days ago, or even 2 seconds ago. Never know in video time. Well, anyways, we were making t-shirt dresses. So we made a dress out of 4XL t-shirt, men's tee to be precise. And today is round 2. What, you're not excited? Well, then I guess you can leave this video. But for those who are excited of creating the second one, let's get into the tutorial. See you there. All right, getting into the tutorial, we have our 3XL men's tee that we want to make fitted and cute and chic. Let's see what we can make. Now I have my whole t-shirt just laying on the floor and pinned, and this time I'm going to use one of my bodycon dresses that I made a long time ago as the fit. I've already pinned it down, as you can see, so I know it's going to fit me perfectly. It's pretty much for you guys who are new and a beginner. Make sure you pin and make sure you mark, because you don't want to make any mistakes. So we're going to cut this out as our front piece, and the back side of the t-shirt will be our back. So as you can see, cutting. I don't want any armholes. This dress is not going to have sleeves. It's going to have straps. And remember, like the last video I told y'all, if there's anything that you want to see, let me know, and I'll make sure to try and create a video in due time for that. And if there's anything that you want to show me, like if you have Instagrams and outfits that you've made for yourself, like I would love to see those, because that is so cool. Anything that you create is so worth showing. So anyways, right here I'm just adjusting the pins, and on this dress it's going to have a square neck, and this is perfect for people who barely have like boobs, which I don't. I'm definitely in the itty bitty titty committee, but it's okay because I know what I'm doing, and I know if I make a halter top or anything like that, it still helps make the outfit look cute. So anyway, so this is our front. We've got the biggest part of the graphic showing, and then we're going to utilize as much as this t-shirt as we can. I cut off the sleeves because I just wanted to use the long black strips, because my goal is to actually create straps with those pieces, and not the normal straps either. This is going to be a braided strap. Beforehand I wanted to do a ruffle, and then I was like, nah, that's too much. I have enough dresses with ruffles on it. But if y'all do want to see a t-shirt dress with the ruffles, we can do that too, like the ruffle off the shoulder look. We can do a tutorial on that. So as you see, I'm cutting out my strips, and then I'm gonna make sure I cut out 3 tiny strips from those. At one point I even decided I wanted to try and put on like cap sleeves, but then I was like, no, I don't want to do that because it's not necessary. This piece right here, yeah, I think that's exactly what I was doing in this section. And then I decided I was going to scrap the whole thing and not do it. See, it would have been cute, but I was like, nah, let's move on with something else. So we do need to create the back piece, which is going to be really low. These are the 3 straps I was talking about that you're going to braid together. You're going to braid those together, and you're going to attach them to the front piece. You can hand sew those on. And remember, you can always use a dress that you like or a skirt pattern to make the bottom. Mine is extremely, not extremely low back, but it's mostly mid back piece. So it's going to be fitted to my size.
Yeah, I recorded.